all of them a belief that essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through understanding and love. And that is the theme of this chapter also. Is it? Right, Bida? Hmm? This story is set in the mid of the mines of Sweden, rich in iron ore, which figures large in the history and the legends of that country. The story is told somewhat in the manner of a fairy tale. Right? Is it clear, Bida?
Yes, sir. Continue.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Host, what happened? You have host has disabled the participant's screen. No, come on. Okay, right. Thank you, ma'am. Say, once upon a time, there was a man who went around selling small rat traps of wire. What happened? This is a story, better. There was a man who went around selling small rat traps of wire. He made them himself in the odd moments, means unusual moments, from the material he got by bagging in the store, or at the big farms. How did he make the what better? The rat traps by those wires that he begged from the stores in the stores and from the big farms of. So, but even so, the business was not especially very beneficial, profitable, very beneficial. So he had to do, resort means do, to both begging and petty means small thievery. Thievery means the act of stealing. To keep body and soul together so that he may keep body and soul together means to survive, so that he may survive. Even so, his clothes were in rags, old, worn, and torn. His cheeks were sunken, and the hunger shine, gleamed me shine in his eyes. What was there, beta? He was very thin and weak, thin. His cheeks were gone inside. Is it, beta? Very sunken, and the hunger shines in his eyes. No one can imagine how sad and monotonous life can appear to such a vagabond. A vagabond means a man without home and family. Who walks, plods means walks along the road and left to his own thoughts. But one day, this man had fallen into a line of thoughts, into a particular direction of thoughts, which really seems to him entertaining, very amusing, entertaining. He had naturally been thinking of his rat traps. He was naturally what thinking about his rat trap when suddenly he was struck by an idea. He was struck by the idea means an idea came to his mind. That the whole world about him, the whole world with its lands, seas, its cities and villages was nothing but a big rat trap. See what is rat trap? You know, rat trap is a trap in which we put a bait and what we look for and we attract in, in and attract or tempt what the mouse to come in and to touch the bait. As soon as the mouse touch it, what happens? The rat trap got closed on him, on it, sorry, and what happened? He has been caged. So the same thing he thought about the word. He's what he thought. The rat trap seller thought that the word had never existed for any other purpose than to set baits, than to put baits. Baits is what a food placed on a hook. The meaning of the bait is a food placed on a hook or in a net, trap of fishing area to attract fish or other animals for prey. So here, what he said that now he said the word, and that the same thing is there with the rat trap too. It had never existed for any other purpose than to set baits for the people, to attract the people. See, we find, and what is there? He has defined there. Then I will explain you. Here, it offered the word offered riches, money, and joys, shelter and food, heat and clothing, exactly as the rat trap offered cheese and pork. See, the two things have been compared. The word, how he expressed the word as a rat trap, he said that it offered us money, it offered us happiness, it offers us shelter and food to live peacefully and with a comfortable life, heat and clothing. Exactly as the rat trap, बिल्कुल यानी it compares the word exactly as the rat trap offered cheese and the pork is the butter meat of the pig. And as soon as anyone let himself to be tempted, right, beta, to touch the bait, it closed on him, and then everything came to an end. What does it mean? That when everybody get tempted or become greedy to get something out of the way, what happens? He has been caught in the rat trap. He does not have any way to get out of the trap. Is it? You will like, is it clear, beta? Any question, bacho? Any question? No? Is it clear to everyone? Right, beta? The word had, of
Sir,
course, yes,
author here has compared world to a rat trap.
yes, beta. The word is, see what happens. We are living a life with our hard work, but sometimes what we see that we see certain attractive things, and we know that with our hard work we cannot get it. So what we do, we become tempted and we try to get it illegally. Then what happened? When we do it like that, what happened? We got the rat trap get closed. We become the victim of the law. No, we become the victim of the justice of the law, because it is justice that if you do something illegal, then you have to get the punishment. It
Sir,
is yes, better. Who is there? Please switch on your video first.
Sir, Aditya Tyagi and Unnati Yogi.
Yes, better. Yes, better.
Sir, what is the meaning of monotonous?
Dull, uninteresting.
And sir, vagabond.
Vagabond, I have told you, a man without home and family.
And sir,
See,
plots.
you can say a poor wanderer. He does not have any home, any family, any house, and he simply wander from one place to another.
Sir,
Yes,
plots.
plot means walks, beta.
Walk. Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes, beta.
can you again explain? But even so, the business was not so especially profitable. So
What
he had to
happened?
resort to both begging and petty thievery to
Yes,
keep
beta.
body and soul together.
Yes, yes. Kunal, you are asking the question?
Sir, Aditya.
Where is your? Please switch on your word. Yeah,
Aditya and
Aditya. Yeah.
Anindya.
Sorry. Aditya Tyagi, no?
Yes, sir.
Right, beta. See, what was the thing, beta? He was he begged the wires from the stores and farms, and then he make what beta the rat traps. But what happened? That business was not profitable. Means that he does not was not able to sell what beta that rat traps in a large quantity. So it was not profitable to survive in this world. So that to survive in this world, what he did? He what better? He did? He begged money from the people. Secondly, what he did better? Sometimes he do the act of theft, small theft. Petty means small. Thievery means the act of stealing. Sometimes he steals, right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Petty steals so that he may survive. To what is there, beta? To keep body and soul together means to survive. Is it
Okay, sir.
clear? All right.
Yes, sir.
Anything else, beta?
Sir, amidst means
In the mid of beta.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, beta. Any more? Any question from anywhere? No?
No, sir.
Right. Good. The word had, of course, never been kind to him. See, why did he think evil about the word? Right, beta? Here is the answer. You must go through these lines. Never very kind to him. So it gave him unwanted, means unusual joy, happiness. To think ill, to think evil of the word, it refers to the word, beta. In this way, right? It became his cherished, means favorite pastime, right? During his dreary ploddings. Dreary means boring, dull. Plodding means again walking with difficulty. Walking, you can say, or walking with difficulty. Is it? To think of people who knew him, and then he think about the people whom he knew, who had let themselves to be caught in the dangerous snare, who have let them caught to be in the dangerous snare, means trap, and of others. See, he knew the people, those who have been caught in the snare, in the trap, because of their temptation to get something out of the way, right? And he knew the people. What was there? Of other people who were still moving around. What? The bait. Bait, I have told you, that's something that attracts someone to come and touch it, and then what happens? He has been caught in the rat trap or in a trap. Is it, better? One dark evening, he was trudging. Trudging is also walking along the road. He caught the sight of the little grey cottage. He saw a grey cottage, little grey cottage that was there built by the roadside. And he knocked the door. He tapped the door. Why? So that he may ask shelter for the night. Nor was he refused. He was not refused. Instead of sore faces, means angry faces, which he ordinarily means commonly, met him. The owner, who was an old man without wife and child, was happy. The man who was the owner of that cottage was without a wife and what better, without a family. So he was very happy to get someone to talk in his loneliness. Right, beta? In his loneliness. Loneliness means aloofness. Immediately, what that man put the porridge pot on the fire. Porridge pot is a mixture of cereals that has been cooked in the ware with the water. In Hindi, we call sometimes dalia and sometimes khichdi. Is it? Right? Is it clear? And sometimes it may be a sweet dish. Something sweeten has been added to make it sweet.
So,
Pot on the fire and gave him the supper. Supper means you can count it as dinner. And he,
so
just a minute, better. Let me complete the paragraph, better, and then I will answer you. Is it? Then he cut off such a big slice from his tobacco roll, tobacco pouch, that it was enough both for the stranger pipe. Stranger refers to the whom, beta? Stranger here refers to the rat trap seller, vagabond, and his own, and to his own. Finally, he got out an old pack of cards, right? Or pack of cards, you understand, right, beta? And then they play Majolis. Is a game played in Sweden, right, beta? A cards game played in Sweden with his guest until the bedtime and until they won't go to sleep. Now, yes, you can ask me the question, beta. Who was asking the question, Kunal?
yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
beta.
porridge pot, can you explain again?
Which one, beta? Please repeat your question, my child.
The porridge pot, can you explain that?
Porridge pot is what, beta? When we cook something, anything, we put a pot there. Where on the gas stove or on the stove, right, beta? So pot is there, and porridge pot means he has put the
Yes.
pot to cook the porridge. That is the only thing, beta. Is it? You have understand? What happened when we have to cook
Yes, sir.
pulses? What we happen? We put first a pot and then water
Yes.
and then pulses. Is it? In the same way, he has put the pot to cook porridge. Is it clear, Kunal? Anything more? Anybody wants to ask anything more? Yes, Ananya? No? Good girl. Yes, shall I continue? Yes? The old man was just as generous with his confidences as with his porridge and tobacco. See, why the old man has been called large-hearted. Why? Because he has not provided him bed or shelter, but he has provided him food as well as tobacco. Means some money, something from his own personal what? From his own expenses. Is it better? So he was equally generous, large-hearted with his confidences also. See, the guest was informed. Guest refers to whom, better? The stranger. Is it better? The vagabond, the rat trap seller. Right? Was informed at once that in his days of prosperity, well-to-do, when he was in a well-to-do conditions, well-to-do days, his host is what, better? That old man. Host is what? The old man had been a crofter. Crofter is a farmer. Is it? At Ramshaw Ironwork and had worked on the fields on the land of the Ramshaw Ironworks. Now he was no longer able to do the day labor. Why? Because he has become old. Is it? Right? It was his cow that supported him to survive. Here it is not clear, but it's not completely written. Supported him. Why? So that he may easily survive. He may get his both meet his both ends. He may get his both meals and everything required. It was there. He earned. It was the money that was provided by the cow. How it was provided, you just say. Is it? The bossy. Yes, that bossy. Bossy refers to cow here. Is it? Was extraordinary. And you see, is it clear? She could give milk for the creamery every day. Creamery refers to means butter and cheese, right? It gives milk to which what was produced better? Butter and what? Butter and cheese, is it? And it was being sold there where? To the factories where these things were produced. The milk of that cow was being sold to those factories where these things were produced. Is it? Which things? Butter and cheese. Is it? Every day. Last month he had received all 30 kroner in the payment, and last month he has received 30 kroner. Kroner is the Swedish currency. 1 krona is equal to 7.76 Indian rupee. 7.76 means 7 rupees 76 paisa. 1 krona is equal to 7 rupees 76 paisa. Is it clear? Hmm? It is a Swedish in payment. Do any question from here up to now? Anybody, anything? If anybody wants to ask anything, he may ask me now. Is it?
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, can you like sir that old man was a farmer at Ramsey Ironworks?
Yes, when he was young, when he was well-to-do, he was able to do hard labor. Is it better? And now what had happened? He has become old. He cannot not do that much hard labor, right? So now he was being supported by whom?
The
By
cow.
whom? The cow. Is it his own cow? That's what providing him a good quantity of milk that was being sold to the factories where these things were produced.
Safa Creamery.